Inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners, welcome to the Bold Patents Baltimore location. We're here to talk about what resources are here in this city that'll help you, the inventor and entrepreneur, launch your company. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, and I'm excited to share with you these resources. Click on the links below to learn more about them, but I want to make sure you get a leg up over the competition about these awesome places here, right here in Baltimore. The first one I want to talk about is Conscious Venture Lab. This is where startup world meets doing good in the world, right? Sort of this intersection of profit and purpose. It's an ecosystem at this Conscious Venture Lab where they've got early stage business accelerator, where they will give funding for a business plan, inventor, a tech hub, where they're going to support with an incubator as well, meaning they've got multiple founders, people that are owners of companies that come together and help you join forces, learn what you don't know already, add resources to your team, and get ready for funding and getting big impact well outside of Baltimore into the ecosystem of the online digital world. So check out Conscious Venture Lab. One of the coolest startups that just came out of there is Fearless. They're a full stack software development company. They use user-friendly software designed to push the boundaries of possibility. Number two is called Fast Forward. Fast Forward, it's a great resource. It's actually backed by Johns Hopkins Technology Ventures. It's an innovation hub. There's resources, mentorship, and office space, right? Place for you to actually bring your team into the office, work with early stage companies, and they put training sessions on, help you, the tech inventor, learn about the business side of moving your product into market, get to know lawyers, CPAs, other professionals that will be necessary as your company grows. So check out Fast Forward. A big company that just launched out of there is called Sonovex. That's a medical device company. They developed innovative results around ultrasound solutions to improve surgical outcomes. Number three, this is BW Tech at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County. BW Tech at UMBC is a research technology park. It is focused more on the academic side. But what they can do is you can license that technology from the research, from the universities, using tech transfer, and it can go into individual private ventures from there. And so this the startup that came out of there is called Air Photon, specializing in advanced air quality monitoring instruments. It was recognized as one of the best tech product apps in the whole company. So Air Photon came out of there. Number four is Startup by the Armory by Towson University. The startup is an accelerated program. It offers an 8-week cohort-based fellowship where founders work collaboratively to accelerate their ventures. It targets both Towson University with affiliated and even non-affiliated founders. If you're not even with the university, you can still get access to this startup at the Armory. A big company that just launched out of there is called MindGrub Technologies. They create custom web, mobile, and digital marketing solutions. The last but not least, number five is called Upsurge. Upsurge, Baltimore. It's an ecosystem builder focused on making Baltimore the country's first equa-city. What does that mean? It means a hub for diverse entrepreneurs and innovators. They aim to create a thriving tech ecosystem that is equitable and inclusive. Despite what's going on at the presidential level, Upsurge is really contrary to that. They want to bring people together no matter what their backgrounds and have a diverse group of founders and owners. I think it's wonderful. Their big startup that came out of there recently is Alloy Sports. Alloy Sports is a sports betting company that help gamblers test their own individual systems and build the software to help them accomplish their goals while having fun in a safe environment. All right, everybody, well, this has been a cool thing to go over these 5 resources right here in Baltimore. As you know, Bold Patents stands ready to help you answer any questions you've got related to inventions or trademarks. So that's patents and trademarks. We're here to help. Give us a call, book a free discovery call at the link below. Again, I'm JD Houvener, and thanks again for visiting our website and our Bold Patents Baltimore page. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.